Tools, where math is made easy. In this session, we're going to be subtracting a whole number from a proper fraction when our whole number is written in its fraction form. And if you want to see how this is done, let's get started. So today we will be subtracting our fraction from our whole number by first changing our whole number into its fraction form. Now when it comes to your whole numbers, remember that every whole number has a denominator of 1. So to write my 8 as a whole number, I will simply put 1 in the denominator to make it as a fraction. And now that we have changed our whole number into its fraction form, we're now going to go through the process of finding our LCD for these two numbers, which is 1 and 3. Remember that when you're finding the LCD, it's the lowest common denominator or the lowest common multiple that 1 and 3 has in common, which will equal to 3. Now the good thing about this is that one of our fraction, which is 2/3, already has a denominator of 3, which means that I won't have to do any changes to that fraction because it's already in its equivalent form with 3 as the denominator. But with our 8 to the first, we are going to have to change it to a fraction where 3 is in the denominator. And we know that we have to multiply 1 times 3 to get 3. So we will also multiply our 8 times 3, which will equal to 24. And now we're going to plug that fraction into our equation and begin our subtraction. So when 24 subtracts 2, we will have 22. And remember that our 3 remains as our denominator. And since we now have an improper fraction, we're going to convert this improper fraction into its mixed fraction form so that our answer will be left in its simplest form. So we're dividing 3 into 22, which will equal to 7. 7 times 3 is equal to 21. And when 22 subtracts 21, we have a difference of 1. And for this division, when we convert this into our mixed fraction, we will have 7 wholes and 1/3. So our solution for this question is going to equal to 7 wholes and 1/3. Okay, so there you have it. We suggest subtracted our fraction from our whole number when we converted our whole number into its fraction form. But as always, remember to always get some additional practice in, and we'll see you right here in the next video on Joe's Math Tools, where we aim to make math easy.